Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in my hot mess of a beauty room. So don't mind the background. My brother's clothes, he's over at my dad's house right now and he has his stuff in the backpack and it's a hot mess over there. And back there is like my hair closet with my products and stuff like that. And I'm actually sitting on the floor because there's really nowhere to sit. I'm probably going to clean it up after this. But I just wanted to come to you guys really quick before I actually started using the makeup. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know I did the 25 days of Christmas or 25 days of Slay, the makeup version. So every day of December leading up to Christmas, I did upload a makeup look. I used a lot of the makeup that I had already from couponing and then previously just buying it, but I wanted more makeup, so I kind of like wilded out a little bit. But I'm just going to show you guys all the makeup is from one place, which is Juvias Place. But if you're interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned to keep watching. And then also for the people who are probably wondering, I will try to bring more makeup looks and makeup tutorials to my YouTube channel. I didn't know, I knew I could do makeup, but when I actually challenged myself, I could actually like do some pretty dope stuff. So people were asking me, you know, to do more makeup on my channel. So me and my ballerina bun will be showing you guys what I bought. So I already opened it, but I didn't open like the actual stuff in the box. But this is the box. This is the box, and I'm gonna pose for a cute thumbnail. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything straight out of the box. And some of the stuff I actually purchased to give away eventually. I don't know if I do an Instagram, YouTube giveaway, whatever, stuff like that. Quick side note, for people who are like OGs on my channel, my sister is back on YouTube. Make sure you guys subscribe to her channel, Kristen Alicia. My brother Chase made a channel, his channel. All their channels will be linked in the description box. Chase and then my cousin Sydney also made a channel, so I will link all their channels in the description box. Forgot to say that in the beginning. But so the first palette that I got was the Masquerade Mini by Juvias Place. I actually have this palette already. I'm not gonna open the boxes to the ones that I have already. I'll just show you guys what they what the shades look like on my older palettes. And then I got the Nubian palette by Juvias Place. I'm saying Juvias Place like they're not all from Juvias Place. And these are all the ones that I have already, but these are going to be given away eventually. And then this is the Saharan palette and the Nubian palette. So I have those already. And then I did get two of the Zulu palette. And I opened one because this is going to be mine, and then I'm going to give one of these away. I might stick it in somebody's stocking for Christmas. And this is what the Zulu palette looks like. Really pretty colors, and I love Juvias Place because they're like super pigmented. Like that's one thing you don't ever have to worry about with Juvias Place. I've had some of these palettes for a very long time, like the ones that I do have, and they still get the job done, period. Let me get the ones that I have already so you guys can see. Alright, so I am back. My palettes are kind of like, look like they've been through some things, but I'm going to show you guys the shades in those. This is the Saharan palette. This is the one that is mine. The color that I love the most right here is this one in the corner, this black. It's called Chad. How ironic, that's my dad's name. I love him too. But yeah, my favorite shade is this Chad. It's bomb, super pigmented. I tend to use that to like finish off my makeup looks, you know. So yeah, that's the Saharan palette. The Nubian palette is really small, which is the green one, and this is like shades of brown. Everybody needs a brown palette, so I think this is a good like starter palette, for sure. And then we have the Nubian 2 palette. And oh my god. Y'all, my whole shade just fell out. I'm gonna scoop it back in there. Better stop playing on me. Hold on, I'm patting it back in there. Okay, well that just fell out. But this is the Nubian 2 palette. And it has like really pretty shimmer shades. And then this shade right here is Zaria. I use this for highlights sometimes. I'm really mad about that shade. It's showing off because I'm on camera, but okay, go off sis. And then lastly is the Masquerade palette. Love this palette. These purple and blues are like perfect. Love them. When I need purple and blue, I always dip and dab into this palette. But I just wanted to show you guys what those palettes look like because I didn't want to open the box because like I said, eventually I'll be giving them away. Stay tuned for that. But on to the next couple things. The next palette that I got that I'm actually going to keep is the Deuce, if I'm not mistaken. I think that says Deuce. The Deuce palette. Let's open this up. And this is what the Deuce palette is looking like. Pretty colors. Very pretty colors. I'm excited about this one as well. Once I like edit this and stuff, I'll try to make sure I put like the price of the palette somewhere on the screen. But once again, that was the Deuce palette. And then the last palette that I bought was the Magic Mini. And it came in this box. Their packaging is so pretty. Love it. And let's see what this one looks like. This one is the Magic Mini. So the Magic Mini has a lot more shades than the last ones that I just showed you. So this is a good bang for your buck. Period. Period, poo-poo. Alright. So the next thing that I bought are some foundations. And I tried them on, like I tried Juvia's Place foundations out at the store, like when it first came out. But I couldn't remember which shade was my shade, so I bought a couple. I bought a couple foundations, and just to see which one will match me. So I got the foundation shade Zaria. Open it up so you can see it. This is just what they look like, the foundations. I don't know why I thought it was a tube, like a tube that you could see through. So I got these shades Zaria, Accra, Kampala, and Burkina. I don't know if I said those correctly, but yeah. If my camera would focus, you guys will be able to see the names. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, so they are, I got shades 310, 320, 330, and 340. Because I know I'm somewhere in that spectrum. I just didn't know which ones. And then next I got the shade stick, and I got this for contour. I love using like some type of stick for contour. I don't really like liquid contour for my makeup. And this is what the shade stick looks like. And this is the shade Zambia. Then I got the I Am Magic concealer. and you can actually see what this looks like. And this is the shade 12. Yeah, concealer 12. This is the magic shade concealer 12. And y'all, I know I look a hot mess right now. I just woke up, I'm finna do my makeup, and I was finna dip and dab into this makeup, so I was like, let me show y'all what I bought first, and then I'm gonna dip and dab. And then I have no lashes because I've been doing makeup for 25 days, and y'all know I hate having makeup and no lashes. Ew. Last item that I purchased is the Royalty 2 Loose Highlighter by Juvias Place. And this is, I hope you can see it. I don't have on the correct lens. My brother just woke up. So let me hurry up. So this is the highlighter. This is really, really pretty. And I don't wanna, okay. So, comes in like one of these, kind of like how your setting powder comes in, you kind of shake it and it comes out and you put it on there. But yeah, I'm really excited to use these products because I've been hearing so many good things about Juvia's Places, like foundation and stuff. I know their eyeshadows are already banging, and then the loose highlighter, I just wanted to try that out. But yeah, so this is everything. These are all of the palettes and all of the, foundations and stuff. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing type of thing. It was pretty quick, nothing long. But like I said, I just wanted to show you guys what I purchased. Because sometimes I have like this bad habit of night shopping. And I'll wake up in the middle of the night, I can't sleep anymore, and I'll start shopping. And it was one of those nights, and this is what I bought. I was so surprised when I got the package because I forgot that I even ordered anything. But if you guys want me to, I can, whenever I do some night shopping, I can do an unboxing video for when the, sorry, I'm trying to stack these up, for when the packages get here, because I'm telling you guys, I do this a lot and it's really bad. That's why I have so much stuff in here already. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. I will blow you a kiss, but my hands are full because I'm gonna take a thumbnail picture, but I love y'all.